we are starting new chapter cube and cube root for class 8th. In this class we will discuss introduction part of chapter 3 cubes and cube root. First topic we will take for discussion, that is cube of a number. Cube of a number. When we talk about cube, you have listened cube word first time in small class. First time cube you have listened in the 3D shape figure. 3D shape figures. That is look like this. So first time student you have listened cube in geometry. This is you have studied in geometry. So what was cube? Cube was a three-dimensional figure having all sides are equal. But here in class 8, which topic we are taking cubes and cube root, that is totally different from geometry. Here first I will tell the definition of a cube of a number. The cube of a number, cube of a number x is the number raised to the power 3. Cube of a number is the number raised to power 3. It means whenever we will write any number in the power 3, that is called cube. It is denoted by x to power 3. Denoted by x to power 3 because I have taken number x. So dear student, listen again very carefully because it is very interesting topic. Cube of a number, which number I have taken x, or you can take any number in the examples, is the number raised to the power 3. It means we will write a number in power 3, that is called cube of a number. So it is noted by x cube because I have taken number x. I will take different example to understand cube of a number. I will take 2 to power 3. It means I will multiply 2 by 3 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. The cube of 2 is 8. When we will multiply a number, when we will multiply a number 3 times itself is called cube. It means multiply a number 3 times. We will take another example, 5 ka cube. This 5 multiply itself. 3 times 5, that is called cube. 5 5 get 25, 5 is 125. So this is called cube. So I hope you have understand the cube. It is denoted by x to power 3. We will take different example, cube of a number. So suppose I am finding cube of number 2. So answer will come 8. So what is cube? Cube of a number is the number that raised to the power 3. और we will multiply a number 3 times. किसी भी नंबर को जब हम 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं हम क्यूब ऑफ ए नंबर. Now we will discuss property of cube. Property of a cube. First property, the cube of a even natural number. Even natural number is even always. Even always. It means cube of a even natural number. See here, I have taken example 2. 2 is a even number. So when I will multiply 2 3 times, that will be always result as a even number. I will take example 4 का cube, 4 into 4 into 4, 4 multiply 3 times, not 4 की power 3, 4 से get 12, that is wrong. 4 multiply 3 times, that is equal to 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. So it is the even number always. That is called even number. So cube of a even natural number is always even. Second topic we will discuss the cube of a odd natural number is odd always. It means whenever we will take odd natural number, we will take odd natural number like 5. 5 का cube, 5 multiply 3 times, that is 125. So 5 is also a odd number. Example we will take 3 का cube. So 3 multiply 3 times, 3 is 9, is 27. So C 27. Last number is coming 7. That is odd natural number. So it means property of a cube is that whenever we will find cube of an even number, answer will come always even number. And whenever we will find the cube of odd natural number, answer will come always odd natural number. Now next topic we will discuss is, that is perfect cube. Now, my dear student, we are going to discuss perfect cube. See what is perfect cube. Perfect cube means there are different meaning of perfect cube, but I will tell how to find perfect cube. See, second topic of discussion, that is perfect cube. Perfect cube. Perfect cube are those numbers which make a group of triplet, particular triplet. Like I will take example perfect cube. I want to take example of 216. We want to check 216 is a perfect cube number. So what we will find? First, we will find prime factors of 216. So see how to find prime factor. We will write 216 here. Last digit is 6, that is even number. To multiply by, divide by 2. 2 is 2, then we cannot divide 0. 2 is 16. Again 2, 5, 5 to 10, 4 is 8, 2 is 4, 7 is 3, 9 is 27, 3 is 9, 3 is 3. So see prime factor of 216, that is these numbers. 3 times 2, 3 times 3. So see here, in these prime factor we are making group of triplet number. Triplet. It is also a complete group. Prime factor of 216 gives us 2, 2, 2, 3 times, 3, 3 times. It means these are the group of triplet, means 3, 3 numbers, same 3 number. It means prime factor of 216 equal to 2 into 3 equal to power 3. 6 की power 3. 6 की power. It means when we will multiply 6 3 times, that is given a number 216. So we can say that yes, 216 is a perfect cube. Perfect cube. So my dear student, whenever we have to check any number is a perfect cube, but we have to find prime factors, or if prime factors will make a complete group of three numbers same, that is called perfect cube. If it will not make a group of 3 number, it means that number will not a perfect cube. I will take example. Another example I will take. Second example. Now I want to check 36 is a perfect cube. Is a perfect cube number. Again, what I will do? I will do prime factor. Prime factors of 36. See again, 36 factor. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12, 2 2 is 4. So it means 2 times 2, 2 times 3. These are not a complete group. Incomplete group. Incomplete group of triplet. Triplet मतलब we have to make a group of three numbers, same 3 numbers, individual 3 numbers, same 2 there must become 3 times, but here is only 2 times. It means no 36 is not a perfect cube number. So dear student, it is a method to find which number are the perfect cube. Perfect cube means whenever we will find a prime factor or that factor will give the group of 3 numbers same, that is called a perfect cube numbers. Now next topic we will take. Cube root. Next number we will take, that is cube root. In the cube root we will discuss different things. Third topic of discussion, that is cube root. Cube root of a number. Cube root of a number. My dear student, now we will discuss cube root. So what is cube root? Or how to find cube roots we will discuss. So cube roots of a number x. Suppose we want to find cube roots of a number x. Is that number whose cube is x? Whose cube is x? It is denoted by this symbol. See here, you have studied this is called square root, but here I will write 3 here. This is called cube root. So this is denoted by square root symbol, and 3 we have to write inside and x in here. So what is cube root of a number? Definition: cube root of a number, which number I am taking, x, is that number whose cube is x. It means we have to find any number, or that number we will multiply 3 times, or that will give the same result, that is called x. See example. I am taking cube root of 27. So what we have to do? We have to find factor of 27. 3 9 is 27, 3 is 9, 3 is 3. So what I will write? I will write 3 times, and here cube root. In the cube root, what we will do? We will make a group of 3 numbers and same number. I have made a group of 3 numbers. That now when I will write one number outside from the cube root, that is called cube root of 27. From the group of triplet, when we will write one digit number without the sign of cube root, that is called cube root. So it means, see, cube root of a number is that number whose cube. It means I will multiply. See here, verification. C verify. Is that number whose cube? That number 3 or 3 का cube, that is 27. That will give x. So what we have to do? We have to find cube root of a. I have also okay. Cube root of a number is that number whose cube is x. It means after finding the cube root of any number, we can find cube of that number, or if that number will give quotient itself 27, we can say that our answer is right. Now cube root of another example I will take, cube root of 125. So again factor of 125, 5 into 5 into 5. I will take one number from the group outside, that is 5. So cube root of 125 is 5. But when you cube of 5, that will give you 125. In another word, we can also write that x to the power 1 by 3. It is also a symbol of cube root. Now there are some properties of cube, like in integers. If fourth point, if a and b are positive integers, then cube root of minus x will be, minus will come outside and remaining will be same, cube root of x. First point of discussion. Second, if same a and b are the positive integers, then cube root of 3a into b we can write individually, cube root of a and cube root of b. Same we can write in divide also. So dear student, we have discussed today only introduction part, in which we have done the discussion of cube and cube roots of a number. That's it for the class. In the next class we will discuss question based on this. Thanks for the day.